Hello and welcome to the Big Ideas Art Studio. My name is Mrs. Mack, and in this video I'm going to show you how to use a toothbrush to achieve a spray paint effect with your paints. So grab a toothbrush and let's get started. Okay, so I have some paper here, I have my paints, I have a little cup of water just in case I need it, and I also have my toothbrush. Now this is an old toothbrush that I use for painting a lot, so definitely you want to grab one that is no longer in use, right? You don't want to grab your dad's toothbrush to use this. You need an old one that is on its way out the door. So what we'll do is I'm going to get my toothbrush a little bit wet and get my paints just a little bit wet. I'm going to treat this like a paintbrush, meaning when I am changing colors, I'm going to wet it so that I am not mixing colors and I'm keeping my paints as clean as possible. Okay, so when you're ready, you're going to kind of, scrub a little bit gently, of course, your paintbrush, or your toothbrush and your paints to get some color on it. And then all you're going to do to achieve the spray paint effect is you're going to kind of point your toothbrush down and use your fingers and drag your finger from the top of your bristles to the back of your bristles. So you can also do this with stencils. So if I lay a stencil down here and use my toothbrush to create the spray paint effect, my stencil is going to create the shape of whatever it is that a sun, a moon, whatever it is that I'm choosing, it will create that shape for me. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you had as much fun as I did. And if you did, make sure to like and subscribe so you don't miss out on future art lessons. I would also love to see your spray paint effects and how you use them in your art making. So have a grown-up take a photo of your art and upload it to Instagram. Make sure to tag me at the Big Ideas Art Studio. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time.